verification purpose. We have many show commands. We on the Cisco CLI show commands are powerful troubleshooting tools. The show command display configuration file, checking the status of the device interfaces, processing, verify the device operational status of the nearly every process or function of the router can be displayed using show command. These are some of the commands you might be already aware. So let's just try to do some practice. Okay, so first command is show run. Everybody knows what is show run? It shows you the running configuration on the Cisco router. Okay, show IPR. Everybody knows what is show IPR? It shows you the address resolution protocol, IP to MAC address resolution, and put in the table. Okay, so for example 10.1.1.12, and you will see their MAC addresses. Anybody knows what is this? This is the exam question, guys. What is this sign? It shows you the IP and the MAC table. Show IPR. So you can see the difference is, this means Cisco router has not learned it. It is on interface MAC address. Which interface is that? What is the MAC address there? 7701. And look at this. Show interface fast 00. So this means Cisco router has not learned from another side. It is its own interface MAC address. So this will be interview or exam question that people will be asking, what does it mean with it? When you do the show IPR, what does this entry represent? This dash. It represents the Cisco router has not learned through the ARP entry, through the ARP message. It is already burn address inside the interface. Clear? Okay, what other commands we have? Show ARP, show IP route, show IP protocol, show IP version. Show version. Everybody knows show version. It will show you the hardware and software, how the device was rebooted, interfaces as well. Most importantly, configuration registered value, that was discussed long time ago, many times. What is the configuration registered value? Show protocol will show you what routing protocols are running, for example. Show IP route will show you the routing table of the router. Okay, so there are many commands. Show interface IP brief, guys. This is also very good, interesting command. Show IP interface brief. It will show you how many interfaces you have, what is the IP addresses configured, what is the status, is it protocol up, down, is it configured, how it is configured, you know, all these things. It's a very important command. Show IP interface brief. Make sure you use quite often. As soon as you log into any Cisco router, you should use the show version to see what is the model of the router, what is the Cisco IS operating system is running, how long the router is running. For example, if I do show version, it will show me that how long the device has been running. So you see, it should show me here how long the device has been running. I don't know why it's not showing. Yeah. Yeah, it actually is fine. Show interface status is fine. Maybe it was before. Let me just reload it, for example.